my alarm clock for 6 in the morning.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Hog Hunter Outdoor TV. Coming to you one more time. I know we're a little bit late putting this one out, but this was actually recorded back in November of last year. It'll be the first week of gun season for whitetail deer, buck or doe. We're in Mason County, West Virginia, and this is some property that I've hunted before, but it's been a while since I hunted it. Anyway, I hope you enjoy it. Hit the like button if you do. Always hit the subscribe button. Hopefully we'll get some fishing videos out for you guys this summer. We're working on them now. Hopefully we'll be able to get out there and get you some. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a like, man. And enjoy. Hey, welcome, guys. Another edition Hog Hunters Outdoor TV. Today's the first day of gun season. I don't know if this audio is going to come out right or not. I got a little bit of a glare here. I apologize for that. We did have some action first thing this morning. We had a doe step out into the field out here, and I'll give you a shot of what we're looking at here. I didn't get quite the cameras that I want to get set up today, but hopefully this week we'll be able to get some cameras up and get some better footage. We was hoping a buck would have come out with that doe earlier this morning, and they just her. She came out, and we've got some. She come out in the field here and done a little bit of feeding, and it wasn't long after that she went back up in the woods, almost like something spooked her, but it wasn't us. So I'm not for sure what the deal is. I haven't seen anything since then, but you never know what's going to happen here. This is a new area we're hunting this year. I've hunted here before in the past, but nothing. I've never hunted like I'm going to this year. So hopefully we got some good luck coming in here this year. Maybe put a big buck down. If nothing else, we'll get us a doe put down because I'm hungry. Anyway, I'll give you a shot here of what we're looking at outside. And right now the wind's blowing a little bit. We've got temperatures probably about 38. With the wind chill, you're probably about 35 or less. Pretty cold out here. I didn't think it was going to be that cold this morning. I'm sitting here kind of shivering now. I wish I had got a little bit better clothes on. Anyway, not much to video here right now. All of the there just hasn't been no action here lately. Like I say, the wind's starting to pick up real good. We're having gusts of wind. But hopefully we'll get on camera here and have some action or something. Maybe put one down, and if not today, then sometime this week. I'll show you the view we're looking at here. Okay, there's the view we're looking at. And that's probably not going to, there it goes, it's in the view now. That's a running area. We've got woods on both sides of us. Open field out there. Just hoping something steps out. If it does, we'll be back. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like button if you like our videos. And catch us on Facebook, Hog Hunter Outdoors on Facebook. Alright guys, I guess I did promise a little bit of action. This ain't the action I was looking for. excitement I was looking for this morning, but I guess I could say I had a few friends stop by. Big Mac quarter pounder. What do you think? It looks like this morning might be a bust, so we're going to sit here for just a few more minutes and see if maybe something does come around, but I don't look for anything coming. I think we're going to get ready for break and go to get us some lunch and try to come up with a better plan this afternoon. Maybe get something coming in here. Hopefully, we haven't heard a whole lot of shots this morning either. I don't think there's a whole lot of deer hunters out here this morning for some reason. Either that or just nothing really moving around. I don't know, but we'll see what happens. So stick around. Hopefully we'll have some excitement this afternoon. And as always, man, if you like our videos or you want to see more of them, man, just hit that subscribe button down there and hit the like button and let us know you like them. And like I said, we're trying to get some more videos going here, trying to get some more out. So this is the first time I've ever tried to video a hunt myself. I did one there a couple years ago with my son. It turned out pretty good, but doing it by yourself is a little bit different. Anyway, we're going to jump on out of here. See if there's any more action other than my dark friends here, T-Bone and Big Mac. But we'll see what happens here. Hopefully come back this afternoon and get settled in for a good set. And hopefully they'll start moving. Have a little bit more action for you guys. Till then, we'll see you in the next set. Alright, we're back. It is the first day of gun season, and it is in the afternoon. We didn't have no luck this morning as far as getting any shots in. We did, however, see 3 deer. All 3 were. One was a young doe. The other 2 were little yearlings. About all the action we had, other than our 3 bigger friends. If you watch the video, you'll see who I'm talking about. Anyway, we're back at it. It's probably about 2:30 in the afternoon. We're going to sit here on this afternoon hunt and see if we can get one to come in. Winds are blowing a little bit. Hopefully that don't mess with them too bad. Hopefully we can get one in here. Get a little bit of action on camera. I'm hoping. I can't guarantee I get one on camera, but hopefully we'll get one on camera. So stick around. Let's see if we can get this done. And when you know it, look who joins the party. Can you say we're back? Maybe one of these days I'll get rid of them rascals. Deer don't bother them. 2 deer came in earlier today, and the 2 they were yearlings. They come in early this morning with them, my friends there, so hopefully it won't hurt so much. We'll stick around and we'll find out. It happened. An 8-point buck just stepped out in front of me. I don't know how, but I missed him. Missed him with 2 shots. He come straight into where I was at. I'm shaking like a leaf. I mean, look at this. I'm not putting on either that. I'm shaking. You want to talk about buck fever? That was buck fever. Man, nice 8-point buck. He come in fast. I didn't even know he was there until he got in here. I didn't cut one hair on that deer, I don't think. We'll go back out and check, but the way he ran off, I don't see any sign of he was injured when he took off. I tell you what, it's been fun. But man, you want to talk about a failure at a defeat? Right here, look at my face. That's defeat. Doggone it. I can't believe I missed that deer. Cannot believe it. What do you do? I know what my problem was, but just a reminder to all you guys, you might want to always check your equipment out. Mine was fine. I was fine. It wasn't the gun. It was operator error. I wished I'd got it on camera for you. It was a nice buck. Nice buck, but couldn't get on him. Just couldn't get on him. I don't know what I pulled. I know I did on the last shot. First shot, I thought I hit him pretty good, but he stopped. I watched him. He started coming back. I know I didn't hit him, so I went for the second shot. And when I pulled the trigger on the second one, I completely pulled the gun. Completely pulled it. So, if you want to see the face of failure, look right into mine. Yeah, it was a fail, boys. That was a big fail. I'm going to sit here a few more minutes, try to calm down. Maybe go out there and take a look, make sure I didn't get him, but I know I did. Not the way he took off, so. I can't believe I've done that. Of all these times, never had a buck come in on me like that. Man, he come in hard and fast. Just couldn't get him. I love being out here. It's fun being out here, but when you get like this, the defeat hurts. I ain't gonna lie. Defeat hurts. But it was an operator error all the way. Operator error all the way. Well, at least my three amigos are still out here looking straight at me right now. They can't understand what in the world I'm shooting at, but now they've got me blocked. So I don't think I can shoot at another deer, even if they come in. I guess they thought I was ringing the dinner bell. I don't know. Boys, that ain't the dinner bell, but that. If you hear that shot again, that's my dinner. Alright, I'm going to try to get back out of here. Well, try to get back up out here and check to make sure I didn't get that deer. But I don't think I did. Like I said, I looked at it. Just wasn't. I pulled the gun on that last one, and I'm pretty sure I did the first one as well. What do? Keep trying. That's what I'm going to do. Keep trying. Well, if we don't get another one on in here, we'll be back day 2 to see what happens. Stick around. It's getting pretty good. Well, not exactly what we thought we was going to end up with. Thought I was going to be able to get something on camera for you, but unfortunately, we got Well, he got some good shots of beef on there. uh, it was, I know I said in the video that it was operator error. To be honest, it was actually, uh, you could say operator error because I didn't shoot my gun in. And that's, of all you hunters you out there, you ought to know you gotta sight your guns in every year. I didn't do that. I thought I was on. I never touched it. And I made that fatal mistake from when I shot it in. I was 5 inches high and about 3 or 4 inches to the left. I believe that's how it was. But anyway, yeah, I was way off. So it wasn't operator error as is for me aiming, but it was operator error for me not going out there and sighting the gun in. So, you win some, you lose some. It was fun getting out there. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe. Come back next time. Hopefully we'll get some fishing videos out there for you. And join us on social media. We're getting started on Instagram, Facebook. Just look us up. Hog Hunter Outdoors. We'll see you on the next one.